So today we're gonna show you the creative process of how to step up your photography game. It's early December, Christmas is around the corner, so we came here in a local store with toys and decorations to gather all the gadgets we're gonna need for this specific photo shoot. Because this is a huge project, we will have 3 models and more than 10 tricks to show you. The key component is to be organized. We had a brainstorming and we wrote down a huge list with all the gadgets we're gonna need. The next important step was to sit down and see which trick goes better with what model. Having everything written down speeds up the process of the photoshoot and makes you look extremely professional. This time we got a craft paper to use as a foreground. We'll put a hole on it to shoot through our model, and we found the perfect wall to use as a background to blend all the colors together. On this trick, we hold a prism between the light source and our subject in order to cast a rainbow on our subject's face. We found this Christmas decoration with interesting shapes. Again, we use it to cast interesting shadows on the model's face. This time we will use a candle to make our photo look just a bit more dynamic. This time we will go for an abstract photograph. We will use the balloon as our subject, we will diminish our model to a decorative situation, and I think we got the perfect background for this. We found a nice corner of nature inside the city. We are located in Athens, Greece, by the way. So we put down a mirror, we blend it with nature, and we have the subject reflection show through the mirror. What I like about this image is that you have the unique opportunity to blend your sky around earthly tones. Our next trick, again with a mirror, set your camera on a tripod. Make a photo with a model holding the mirror, make a photo just with a background, and cut out in Photoshop the reflection of the mirror to show just the background. On this trick, we dressed our model with silver aluminum foil. The foil itself gives you a futuristic look, blended with a natural background, and you get an image with a lot of conflicts. Here we use the prism again, but this time we put it close to the lens to get some artistic reflections. This time we'll go for a creative portrait. We'll shoot through a red tablecloth using Christmas light to lead us to the model's face. We got some fireworks to play around, and we used a shallow depth of field to give emphasis on the sparkles. We got the same craft paper, wrap it around our model, put a red ribbon on it and make her look like a Christmas gift.
Whoa!
It doesn't snow in Greece often, so we got our hands some fake snow to play around and make this photo look more original.
Wow.
Cool.
Easter time.
I would really like to thank my models, Maro, Fiona and Nastia, as well as Chris for shooting backstage video. For all the people participating, I will put all the social media links down below if you want to check them out and follow them. And of course, thank you all for watching. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share.
Oh, it looks amazing.